Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're comparing two of the top action cameras of 2025, the GoPro Hero 13 versus the DJI Osmo Action 4. Both of these cameras are packed with incredible features designed for adventure and extreme sports, but which one is truly the best? Let's dive in. First, let's take a look at the GoPro Hero 13. Known for its rugged design and top-notch performance, the Hero 13 continues GoPro's legacy of providing exceptional video quality. It boasts 5.3K video resolution at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, making it perfect for capturing ultra-smooth and high-resolution footage in almost any condition. One standout feature is the HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization, which ensures your footage is steady even in the most intense action. Plus, the built-in front display allows for easy framing when you're recording yourself. It's also waterproof down to 33 feet and comes with voice control for hands-free operation. The GoPro Quick app lets you easily edit and share your videos, making it super convenient for quick uploads. Now let's talk about the DJI Osmo Action 4. DJI has made a name for itself with high-quality imaging, and the Osmo Action 4 is no exception. It also supports 4K video at 120 FPS and 1080p at 240 FPS, making it a strong contender for those who want to capture fast-moving action. The RockSteady 3.0 stabilization ensures smooth footage, and the HDR video support brings out incredible detail and contrast in bright and dark environments. The front-facing screen is a huge plus for vloggers and solo adventurers, and it's also waterproof up to 16 meters. One unique feature of the Osmo Action 4 is its dual touchscreen interface on both the front and back, giving you full control no matter how you're holding the camera. So, what's the difference? The GoPro Hero 13 shines with its higher resolution, 5.3K at 60 FPS, and HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization, making it perfect for high-action situations where clarity and stability are key. The DJI Osmo Action 4, on the other hand, is great for those looking for dual screens and the HDR video feature for a more dynamic viewing experience. So, which action camera would you choose? Do you prefer the GoPro Hero 13 with its higher resolution and improved stabilization, or the DJI Osmo Action 4 with its dual screens and HDR capabilities? Let us know your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.